If your Chevy Traverse is sitting dead in the driveway, don't panic. Most starting issues follow a very specific pattern. Statistically, nearly half of all starting problems are simply due to a discharged or aged battery that can no longer hold a load. Before you start buying expensive parts, let's walk through a systematic diagnosis to find the actual culprit. Begin with the basics by verifying your battery health and ensuring your gear selector is fully engaged in park or neutral. Listen closely when you turn the key. The specific sound your Traverse makes tells you exactly where the electrical path is breaking. If the engine cranks but won't fire, you likely have a fuel delivery issue or a faulty crankshaft position sensor. While batteries and fuses are easy weekend fixes, fuel pumps and computer issues usually require professional tools. Costs can vary wildly, starting from under $200 for a battery to over $1,000 for electronic control modules. If the basics look good, use an OBD-I scanner to look for hidden codes that point to sensor failures. Keep these three tools in your Traverse to ensure you're never truly stranded by a simple electrical glitch. Remember that a little bit of terminal cleaning today can save you a $100 tow bill tomorrow. Check your battery first, scan for codes second, and you'll have that Traverse running in no time. See you in the next one.